Welcome back to the Restart TV. Continue to run a technology with website. So today we are going to see ordered list and the unordered list in HTML. So welcome to the Restart TV in technology. Don't forget to subscribe, share for people who need it, and comment. Let's start.
Let's start with list. When we say list, we have ordered list and unordered list. HTML offer web developers with elements for displaying information, numbered or bulleted to the list. HTML support three types of list, namely ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. This is the list we will see in HTML: ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. There are the three different in that. Ordered list, see their tags. OL tag list is a container for enumerated item ordered using numbers such as 1, 2, and 3. Ordered list use sort by numbers. So while an ordered list, their tag is U and L tag, which have to open and close, is collection of related items that have no special order or sequence. There's no special order and or sequence. This list that we see in HTML, we see how to make that list of ordered list, how to display it. So let's go to definition list, which have tag T and L. This is used for definition such as grocery that pair each label with same kind of description. Free list element consist of nested tags that define types of list. Continue with ordered list. Creating ordered list. Ordered lists are lists in which each item is numbered or labeled with counters such as alphabet or Romantic numerals. To create any ordered list, use tag OL, open tags as you see, and close tags. So inside the ordered list, we must put one or more list item by using this open tag L and the closing tag L. That means list item. This is where we put the list, name of the list, so you see it in practice while in codings. Visual Studio, create a new folder, new file, which called the list.html. Here we know that we are going to do. We are going to do ordered list. The title, let's call it ordered list or list. So we have to come to our body. As we know, to make ordered list, we must have it tag of OL inside that one you have to make link list tag where we put the list. Open your browser and because we are going to make a list, it means there's many items. Can search and write another list, for example name, other name or something. So can search YouTube. Search is a tag where you see search does not work is a tag. You have to make sure that search YouTube then make another list then search register TV then then technology. So can time to see output. So the output is open your browser, search your YouTube, then search register TV in technology. So as you see, ordered list is here. Ordered list, it is ordered first step, second step, third step, and fourth step. This is ordered list. If you see something that like that on your website, we know that it is ordered list. And now we can add something. Please don't forget to subscribe. See the results. So as you see, now that this is going to 5 step. So it is ordered list, it is ordered. As you see, automatically it is ordered to 5. Ordered list, you can also add attribute type. For example, you can take age. Save as and see the output. So you see it is ordered by alphabet in small letter in lowercase. Can we also use A to use uppercase? So the output, as you see, there are many types. Can use this to make us a Roman. Can also use small Romans. So in ordered list, I think that is enough. We can continue for an ordered list. How to creating an ordered list. An ordered list is similar to ordered list, the only that the item listed using bullet. That is the big difference. To create an ordered list, it is as the same as we make ordered list, but the difference we white UL instead of white OL. So you have to tag using an ordered list and do the same as we have seen. So we are going to edit in an example. We are going to edit an ordered list to an ordered list. So let's see it in practice. How to creating an ordered list. An ordered list is similar to ordered list, the only that the item listed using bullet. That is the big difference. To create an ordered list, it is as the same as we make ordered list, but the difference we white UL instead of white OL. So you have to tag using an ordered list and do the same as we have seen. So we are going to edit in an example. We are going to edit an ordered list to an ordered list. So let's see it in practice. To edit, to make it an ordered list, must use UL, which means an ordered list. So as you see, an ordered list has bullet like this. The number that ordered, it is been removed. Yes, this is how to make. It is the same as an ordered list, but the difference is that. So you see, this is an ordered list. So in an ordered list, we can change bullet into square. This bullet can change it to square. So you have to add attribute that called type equal and quotation mark and type square Then see the output. As you see, the output has been changed to square. This is how can make the bullet being changed and being square. Ended the lesson here. Please don't forget to subscribe. So we are going to know in another lesson how to create tables, creating definition list. Ciao ciao.